Good afternoon, Barrister.
Good afternoon.
Barrister, how was today's case?
It was okay. It was great. Today's hearing is about a woman that sent her husband out of the house.
Mo dáràn mo ti jẹ gbèsè. Hey!
And now he's inside the court begging and pleading. You see, sometimes I ask, what do men really want? What do men want? This lady picked this young man from the gutter. This young man had nothing. So this young lady picked this man from the gutter and made this guy who this guy is today. And this guy has the temerity, the audacity to cheat on this lady. You see, if you look into this life very well, you see that whenever you hear say a man cheat on his wife, you will realize say the woman wey the man dey cheat with, his own wife, is far better than the one wey he dey sleep with.
Yeah.
No, seriously, if you look at it very well now, based on my investigation as his lawyer, I found out that this lady that is cheating on his wife with, his wife is far better than the lady.
Oh my God. Hey God.
And the lady that is cheating on his wife with cannot even give him what his wife has given him. So I don't know what men really want. Now he's inside the courtroom begging and pleading because the wife have asked him to leave her house. The wife wants a divorce. He's inside the courtroom now begging and pleading. It's too late already. The lady said she wants a divorce. So I'm using this medium to advise men: stay one place. Stay one place. If a lady picked you from nowhere and helped you and you become somebody in life, stick to that one woman. There is no point, there is no gain in jumping from one pant to another. It doesn't make sense at all. So hopefully tomorrow we will get to the final judgment and I'll tell you what is the outcome of the hearing. Thank you so much.
All right.